Hello there, young ones. Today, we're going to talk about how to describe people, places, things, and events in a way that's fun and easy to understand. First, let's start with people. When you describe someone, it's important to use words that help us imagine what they look like. For example, you could say that someone has curly hair, a big smile, or wears glasses. You can also use words to describe how someone acts or feels, like if they're happy, kind, or silly. Let's practice. Can you describe your best friend? What do they look like? How do they act? Do they have any hobbies or interests? Next, let's talk about places. When you describe a place, you want to help us imagine what it looks like and feels like to be there. For example, you could say that a park has green grass, tall trees, and a playground. You could also describe how it feels to be in the park, like if it's peaceful or exciting. Let's practice again. Can you describe your favorite place to go? Is it a park, a beach, or somewhere else? What does it look like? How does it feel to be there? Now, let's move on to things. When you describe a thing, you want to use words that help us understand what it is and what it does. For example, you could say that a bicycle has two wheels, a seat, and handlebars. You could also describe how it feels to ride a bicycle, like if it's fun or scary. Let's practice one more time. Can you describe your favorite toy or object? What does it look like? What does it do? How does it make you feel? Finally, let's talk about events. When you describe an event, you want to help us imagine what happened and how it felt to be there. For example, you could say that a birthday party had balloons, cake, and games. You could also describe how it felt to be at the party, like if it was exciting or happy. Let's do one last practice. Can you describe a fun event that you went to? Was it a party, a concert, or a game? What happened? How did it feel to be there? Remember, when you're describing people, places, things, and events, use words that help us imagine what they look like, feel like, and do. Have fun describing the world around you.